Today we will discuss from this chapter 6 percentage. The topic is finding percent of a given number and finding percent of a number in comparison to other. Let me explain it one by one. First, finding percent of a given number. Suppose a given number is 50 and we have to find 10% of 50. Given number is 50 and we have to find the 10% of 50. Then how can we find? We write this 10% of 50 as 10%. We will change the 10% into fraction. So just 10 by 100 changing into in fraction, we get 10 by 100. Of means multiply and 50. Now do the multiplication for fraction. You can take a denominator 1 for 50. Now 0 can be cut down. Here also 0 and 0 can be cut down. So we get 5 1 5 by 1 means 5. So we get 10% of 50 equal to 5. Similar type of, suppose we have to find 40% of 40. How can we find out? 40 by 100, 40% means 40 by 100 in fraction, of means multiply and 40. Now for the calculation we can take the denominator 1 for 40. Now 0 and 0 cut down. We got here 4 4 ja 16 by 1 1 ja 1, that means 16. So 40% of 40 become 16. Similar type of, suppose we have to find 15% of 20. So 15% means 15 by 100, of means multiply sign and 20. Take the denominator as 1. Take the denominator as 1. Now simplify, 0 cut down, 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 5 3 ja 15. So we get 3 1 ja 3 and 1 1 ja 1. 3 by 1 means 3. So 15% of 20 become 3. Let me give another example. 35% of 40. So here 35% means 35 by 100, of means into and 40 by 1. 0 you can cut down, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. 5 can divide 35, 5 7 ja 35, 5 1 ja 5. So now we get this equal to 7 2 ja 14 by 1, that is 14. Okay. Now suppose we have to find 12% of 1 kg and find out the result in gram. Find out the result in gram. So let us make it. 12% means 12 by 100, of means multiply, and 1 kg, but kg we have to convert it into gram. 1 kg means 1000 gram. So multiply it 1000 gram. You can take the denominator as 1. Now 0 cut down. Multiply 12 into 10, 120 by 1 gram, that is 120 gram. So, we get the result 120 gram. Similar type of, suppose 25% of 1 gram equal to how much milligram? So, here 25 means 25% means 25 by 100 of means multiply, and 1 gram we have to convert the gram into milligram. Gram to milligram 1000, 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. Take the denominator as 1, 0 0 0 0 cut down, 25 into 10, that is 250 by 1 means 250 milligram. So, we get the answer 250 milligram. Suppose 75% of rupees 1, that you have to find in paise, rupees to paise. So, we know 75% means 75 by 100 of means multiply, and rupees 1 means 100 paise. Now, 100 cut down 1 1, 75 1 is 75 by 1 this paise. So, we get 75 paise. So, the result becomes 75. Okay. So, this was the things about how to find percent of a given number. Now, let me take a word problem. That a shopkeeper had 200 kg of rice in stock. If he sell 20% of rice, find the quantity of the rice he sold. That is the question. That a shopkeeper had 200 kg of rice in stock. If he sells 20% of rice, find the quantity of the rice he sold. So, here shopkeeper had sold 20% of rice in his stock. So, just for answer part we will find 20% of total rice is 200 kg. Okay. Just find out as we done in the previous problems. 20% means 20 by 100 of means multiply and 200 kg. So, 0 0 you can cut down 0 0, 220 is 40 kg. So, this 40 kg rice he sold. We will write our answer. Therefore, he sold 40 kg of rice. So, this complete the answer. Let me give an example of another word problem. Here I will take another word problem. Problem number 2. Rakesh gave 20% of his money to his friend if he had rupees 1500, he had rupees 1500, how much amount did he give to his friend? That is the question. That Rakesh gave 20% of his money to his friend. So he gave 20% of his money. What is the money he had? Rupees 1500. So we have to find 20% of rupees 1500. Let us find out. 20% means 20 by 100, of means multiply, and rupees 1500. 0 0 cut down, 0 0 cut out. So we get 15 into 20, 2 15 ja 30 and 1 0, 300 rupees, 300 we are getting. So how much amount did he give to his friend? Therefore he gave rupees 300 to his friend. This completes the answer. Okay. Now coming to the next part, finding percent of a number in comparison percent of a number in comparison to other. What is the meaning? Here we will find how many percent is coming when when one number is given with respect to the other. Suppose the question is find the percent of 15 of 100, that means 15 out of 100, that we have to convert it into percent. So we can write that 15 out of 100, that means in fraction we get 15 by 100, and we have to convert it into percentage. So multiply it by 100%. Now here 0 0 0 0 cut down, 15% we are getting. So 15 out of 100 or 15 of 100 means 15%. Okay. Similar type of, suppose find the percent. Next question of of 50, that means 10 out of 50. We can write this 10 by 50 in fraction. We have to convert it into fraction, in percentage. So multiply it by 100%. Now simplify out, 0 0 cut down, 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, 10 to the 20 by 1, that means 20%. So we get 20%. 10 out of 50 means 10 by 50 multiply 100%, simplify out 0 0 cut down, 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20. So we get 20%. Okay. Coming to same type of problem, suppose we have to find, question is how much percent is 200 meter of kilometer, 1 kilometer, that is the question. 200 meter out of 1 kilometer, that means 200 meter of 1 kilometer, but see the units here, 200 meter and here is 1 kilometer, we will convert each of the same unit. 200 meter is okay, of 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. Now convert it into fraction, 200 out of 1000 means 200 by 1000 and convert it into percentage, so multiply it by 100%. Now simplify, 0 0 0 0 cut down, again 0 0 cut down, we get 20 into 1, 20 by 1 means 20%. So 200 meter of 1 kilometer become 20%. Okay. Suppose question is how much percent is 250 milliliter of 1 liter. So here 250 ml out of 1 liter means 250 ml, convert 1 liter into ml of 1000 ml. Now, so we can write this 250 by 1000 ml means 1000 by 1000, 250 by 1000 converted into fraction. Now convert into percentage by multiplying 100%. Simplify, 0 0 cut down, 0 0 cut down, 0 0 cut out, 25 into 1, 25%. So we get 25%. Now suppose a question is there that Raman drank 200 ml of 2 liter of milk. So what percent of the milk, what percent of the milk did he drink? Did he drink? This is the question. The Raman drank 200 ml of 2 liter of milk. What percent of the milk did he drink? So here 200 ml of out of 2 liter, 200 ml out of 2 liter. We will convert each of the same unit. Here ml is okay, and convert 2 liter into ml. 2 liter means 2000 ml. Okay. Now convert this into fraction and then percentage. 200 ml out of 2000 convert into percent, so multiply it by 100%. Now simplify, 0 0 again 0 0 cut down, 0 0 cut down, 2 10 ja 20, we get 10 percent. So, what percent of the milk did he drink? The percentage we get 10%. So, we will write the answer just that Raman drink, or therefore he drank, he drank 10% of the milk. Okay. So, this was the application of the part that finding percent of a number in comparison to other. So, with this the topic is completed here, and also the chapter is completed. Thank you and goodbye.